tell us one super tip on getting started in real estate investing.
So I'm going to come from a place of, if I were getting started in real estate investing, knowing what I know about success in business, because I am, in full disclosure, I am not a real estate investor. I happen to have a friend who is worth about $100 million as a real estate investor. So I've talked to him about what he does, and a few other friends that are real estate investing. But here's the point. Ask me the question again.
Give us one super tip on getting started in real estate investing.
So honestly, what I would do is it's very easy. It's a very simple tip, is that you immediately go learn from someone that's already done it, right? That is the simplest success formula, is learn from someone that's done it. Read a book on real estate investing, join a mentorship group, hire a coach. Monica, I think you do real estate investing coaching, right? And that's, by the way, that's the fastest way. Like, if you want to look at your budget, like if you're have no money right now, buy a book. That's a 20, or go Google it, right? That's the free version. So that's like kind of the steps. Like, if you have no money, Google how to get started in real estate investing. If you have a little money, buy a book on it, right? Or YouTube. Yeah, watch videos, right? If you can afford a coach, though, that's the best way, because now you have someone that not only has been there and can teach you like the book can, they actually can answer your questions, which the book can't. They can hold you accountable, which the book can't. And by the way, being held accountable is arguably the single most important factor in getting you to go from concept, idea, understanding to implementation, execution, and results.